I gotta confess that when I came from computer science, I thought it was bullshit.
Culture was bullshit.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was like hug tree kind of thing. And I failed miserably in terms of culture, like miserably. The company was about to implode in terms of culture after doing a couple of acquisitions. Before we imploded, I, I took my time to learn about that. And I had good advisors, and I understood that culture is also something that you must turn into a system of the organization. So then I kind of reset with my team. We were able to reset the culture, focusing in what was the culture we needed for the next couple of years for the company. So we then structured that as a system of how we attract people, how we hire them, develop them, and also fire them, and how we make decisions and how we check if we're making decisions according to these same principles. And over time, we learned, we improved a lot, and then we evolved the company from a single product to a multi-product company. And the culture had to be changed again. But at that time, we understood how to make that into a system. And now it's pretty, I would say, I wouldn't say mature, but it's doing pretty well.
How do you go from no culture to a system?
My mind works in a very structured way. Until I understood the structure of culture, I thought it was bullshit. When I understood it could be structured, then that opened my mind as, okay, that's a process. Very good. Let's do it.
What do you mean by structure
I
of a
mean,
culture?
when you're hiring, we score people on the elements of culture. We try to remove people that won't fit from the process instead of trying to find people that would fit. Because you never know. You only know after you started working with someone, right? But when we are able to notice when someone doesn't fit, that's awesome. And on the onboarding, I do a conversation with everybody that comes in the company. And I explain to them that majority of people wouldn't fit in our company. And you're here because we believe you fit.
What are the key elements of the culture that you're testing people for in terms of a fit?
I would say if you like to keep things the same way, you're gonna be crazy in like 6 months. So you gotta love change. As we became more structured organization and being public traded, we need people that are okay with processes and control and metrics. There's also these elements of people that are really open-minded in terms of diversity,